Emma, what's the duck say? What's a dinosaur say? What's a cow say? What's a doggy say? What's a kitty cat say? What's a monkey say? Very good. Where's your hair? Your hair? Right there. Where's your ears? Where's your hands? Where's Emma's hands? Where's Emma's feet? Where's your feet? Do they stink? Are they stinky? Where's your toes? Beanie, where's your toes? Toes, yeah, where are they? Yeah, toe. Where's your shoes? Yeah, they go on your feet. Where are they? Where are your shoes at? Where's your pants? Yeah, where's your pants? What are you doing?